Hey guys, Dark here. We've just had a massive storm come through, and as you can see here, the old tree, she's taking a beating. Taking a good beating, look at that. And there's there's what was on the top. It was just floating back and forth, and then bam. And now it's come around here. Unbelievable. Took the top of this tree right off. And this is a solid gum tree. Unreal. It's been a long time since we've had a storm like this in Adelaide. But, you know, we've learnt the privilege. Anyway guys, just a quick one just to let you know what's going on.